Hello friends, today we gonna have an amazing thing. A let a live experiment tutorial. So we gonna have a live experiment with what? A water drop and a burning matchstick. Will the matchstick vaporize the water drop or the water drop extinguish the matchstick? Let's check it out.
It's cartoon time! So before come to topic, we can have a discussion.
We have an eyedropper and I'm gonna drop water from it. So see, there's a small drop of water and let's burn a match. Who will win? The water drop has won the. Let's try 2 matchsticks right now. Oh, this time too the water had won. Okay. Let's try 3 matchsticks right now.
Do you want to know what it is? The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us.
This time the matchsticks had won. Means that with 3 matchsticks we can win the game with a water drop.
So the result is water won the game. So the question is, why did water drop won the game? The answer is that matchstick, even though it is of 2 number, of 3 number, it is consists of fire, and water is a coolant. Even though the content of water is not enough, but it is a coolant, hence it can drop down the fire contained in matchstick, hence it wins the game. Even though, but there is also a question arises, why did the final battle was won by matchsticks? The very first thing is that the water was continuously heated. At the first time it was heated a little, second it was heated more, and the third it was heated to such an extent that it vaporized fully.
The Matrix is everywhere.
So the conclusion is decided.
Even
Hence,
now,
for more scientific videos, stay tuned with Scientific Alan.
or when you turn on your television.
If you like this video, press the like button. For more such scientific videos, click here to subscribe. And for my other scientific videos, click here. And thanks for watching.